Today I'm taking a look at the OLIGHT Perun 3 headlamp in this vibrant orange color. First impressions are excellent as the packaging feels premium and everything is presented neatly inside the box. One thing I really appreciate is how well organized the packaging is. Everything has its place, making it easy to find all the accessories and store them neatly after use. It's the kind of packaging that you can actually keep and reuse instead of throwing away immediately. Inside the box you get the Perun 3 headlamp itself, the adjustable headband, the charging accessories, and the user manual. Everything feels well made and high quality from the moment you take it out of the packaging. The headlamp has a sturdy and durable construction, but it doesn't feel overly heavy. The bright orange finish not only looks great, but also makes it easy to spot among your camping gear, tools, or equipment. One of the things I noticed straight away is the quality of the materials. The body feels robust and designed to handle outdoor use, whether you're camping, hiking, working on repairs, or tackling DIY projects around the house. The headband is comfortable to wear and adjustable, allowing you to find a secure fit. Once it's on your head, it feels stable and comfortable even if you're moving around or using it for extended periods. Using the Perun 3 is straightforward. The controls are simple and easy to access even when wearing gloves. As for charging, the Perun 3 is rechargeable, which means there's no need to keep buying disposable batteries. The magnetic charging system is convenient and easy to use. Simply connect the charger and you're ready to recharge the battery whenever needed. This makes it ideal for regular use and ensures the headlamp is always ready for your next adventure or project. What really stands out is the versatility. It can be used as a traditional headlamp, allowing you to keep both hands free while working, exploring, or carrying out repairs. After dark, working in a garage, or dealing with an emergency situation. Now let's see how it performs in real outdoor conditions. Here I am outside in complete darkness wearing the Perun 3. The brightness is genuinely impressive. With up to 3,000 lumens available, it lights up a large area in front of you and makes it easy to see your surroundings clearly. As you can see, the beam provides excellent visibility and coverage, making it suitable for a wide range of activities. This is definitely one worth considering.